because, well, not really, but I don't like to be indoors. So I'm always out in the backyard, working in the backyard. And this goes back here.
What is this? Oh, there we go. I really like this type of fan, and it blows like a lot of air.
This one?
Yeah, it's surprisingly good quality for like a cheaper priced outdoor fan.
Well, it's more for looks than anything else.
Yeah, yeah.
Brought everything in because of the rain. These are called sugar pine cones. They're the biggest pine cones in the world.
They are really big.
Yeah, well, these aren't actually that big, but there are some that's like this.
Oh,
They're
that's
almost,
massive.
see this? Look how big that is? And then over there hanging is two gigantic ones. Why are you making me cold?
I'm sorry. Do you want me to like? I'll turn it off pretty quickly here.
Good idea. See what else is here.
Surprisingly, water didn't come off.